Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Popular streaming platform Tidal introduces dancehall and reggae playlists. Earlier this week, Tidal announced their Tidal Rising program dedicated to artists from around the globe who have passionate fan bases. Out of a total of 30 songs, reggae songstress Naomi Cowan opens the new playlist with her latest single, Paradise Plum.
You never put up a fight, no. Paradise Plum.
Other songs on the playlist are One Away by Jane McGizmo, African Daughter by Samurai, Hurting Inside by Jo Mersa Marley, Careful by Mortimer, Leave People Business by Christopher Martin and Romain Virgo, Ragamuffin by Coffee, and Sometime Love by Savannah. In October of last year, Jessie Royal was featured as one of the Tidal Rising Artists of the Week. Tidal regularly curates and features a select group of artists across genres from around the world to introduce fans to vibrant and dynamic music they may have otherwise missed. Legendary Jamaican musician Bunny Wailer is undergoing physiotherapy following a mild stroke. The stroke occurred on the left side of his brain, which resulted in the right side of his body being affected. The reggae star, who was rehabilitated following the incident, has been responding positively to treatment. The surviving member of the band, Bob Marley and the Wailers, is even more focused on securing his legacy than that of other musicians who pay more attention to sales and establishing spaces dedicated to promotion of reggae and its contributors and less on touring and performing. The musician's health was questioned recently after he was forced to postpone the launch of the Wailers statue development event that was slated to take place on National Heroes Day. The launch is now rescheduled for December at Bournemouth Beach Park, a place that the veteran has stressed is significant to the development of not only his musical career, but the likes of the Scatterlights and Mystic Revelation of Rastafari. Now to news overseas, where Snoop Dogg has a biopic on the way. The West Coast rap legend has confirmed that directors Lee Daniels and Ryan Coogler are on board for the upcoming biopic. The OG made the announcement during a recent interview, adding that he has an idea of what the film will entail. Snoop Dogg's character has been portrayed in many hit movies like Tupac's All Eyes on Me and Biggie Smalls' biopic Notorious. Rapper Young Thug is back in jail following a failed drug test. Thug went back behind bars yesterday morning as a result of a failed court-mandated drug test prior to a scheduled arraignment, which was also set for yesterday. The 27-year-old is being hit with 8 felonies stemming from a September 2017 arrest after having his bond revoked by the courts. Charges against the lifestyle rapper include possession of marijuana, hydrocodone, methamphetamine, and a firearm. The legal issues continue to mount for Thug, who turned himself into Georgia authorities following a grand jury warrant being issued in his name back on September 11. Just a month prior to that, the artist was arrested along with members of his entourage on felony gun charges after law enforcement crashed his Slime Language release birthday party at a Hollywood Dave and Buster's. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.